The trade which we're going to be studying in this lecture is a short trading position which I took on the GBP-JPY currency pair. Well, in line with this advanced trend trading strategies rules, we're first going to have to identify the direction of the market's long-term trend using this currency pair's daily time frame before moving on to do anything else. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the direction of the long-term trend on this currency pair's daily time frame is bearish at the moment. I arrived at this conclusion simply because price made a successful bearish crossover below the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this currency pair's daily time frame about 11 days ago, satisfying this trend trading strategy's first ground rule for identifying the direction of the market's long-term trend. And if you take another close look at the price chart which is being displayed on the screen right now, you'll notice that the GBP-JPY currency pair is currently trading below the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this daily chart, satisfying this trend trading strategy's second ground rule for identifying the direction of the market's long-term trend. Now, since we've been able to successfully identify the direction of the long-term trend on the GBP-JPY currency pair using its daily time frame, the next step in this advanced trend trading strategies methodology is to move on to confirming the validity of that long-term trend using this same currency pair's 4-hour time frame. If you take a close look at the 4-hour chart of the GBP-JPY currency pair which is being displayed on the screen now, you will notice that price made a successful bearish crossover below all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this price chart, satisfying this trend trading strategy's first ground rule for confirming the validity of the long-term trend on any forex currency pair's daily time frame. Well, in order to confirm the validity of the bearish long-term trend which we were able to identify on the daily time frame of the GBP-JPY currency pair, the current market price for the GBP-JPY currency pair needs to be trading below the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this currency pair's 4-hour time frame. And I'm pretty sure you can see that price is actually trading below all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this currency pair's 4-hour time frame at the moment, satisfying this trend trading strategy's second ground rule for confirming the validity of the long-term trend on the daily time frame of any currency pair. Well, since we've been able to confirm the validity of the long-term trend on the GBP-JPY currency pair's daily time frame using the currency pair's 4-hour price chart, I'm now going to crank down to this same currency pair's 1-hour time frame to start looking for low-risk, high-probability short trade setups in the direction of the market's current trend without wasting any more of your precious time. Okay, so in line with this forex trading strategies rules, price has just made a successful bearish crossover below the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this currency pair's 1-hour chart, satisfying this trend trading strategy's first ground rule for identifying low risk, high probability forex trade setups in the direction of the market's prevalent trend. And as you can see on the screen, price is currently trading below all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this currency pair's 1-hour time frame at the moment, fulfilling this trend trading strategy's second ground rule for identifying low risk, high probability forex trade setups in the direction of the prevalent bearish trend. Now, the next step in this strategy's low risk, high probability trade setup identification process is to wait for the formation of a bearish fractal on the 1-hour time frame. Identifying a confirmed bearish fractal on this 1-hour chart is going to help me to pinpoint the exact price level where I'm going to place my sell stop pending order at. But here's the thing, I actually do not need to wait for the formation of any bearish fractal now, simply because a confirmed bearish fractal has already been formed on the 1-hour time frame of the GBP-JPY currency pair, as you can see on the screen. And so I'm going to go on ahead and place my sell stop pending order at the very tip of the most recent bearish fractal on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame. Now, since the tip of the most recent bearish fractal on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame is located at the 139.365 price level, I'm going to be placing my sell stop pending order right there. This sell stop pending order is going to get converted into an open short trading position if and when price decides to break below the 139.36 price level. Well, having done this, the next step in the process is to identify an initial stop loss level for the sell stop pending order which I'm going to be placing on the GBP JPY currency pair. And according to this trend trading strategies rules, I'm supposed to use the exact same price level which coincides with the current location of the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices high for placing the initial stop loss orders for my bearish breakout short trading positions. And this is exactly what I'm going to be doing right away. At the moment, the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame is currently located at the 140.44 price level. Therefore, the initial stop loss order for the sell stop pending order which I'm going to be placing on the GBP JPY currency pair is going to be placed at the 140.44 price level. And that's it. My sell stop pending order on the GBP JPY currency pair is now live within the markets. Now, I'm going to step away from the markets and let price do its thing. And I'm also going to keep a close eye on price action to see whether or not this sell stop pending order is going to get triggered. We'll just have to patiently wait and see. Okay. So my sell stop pending order on the GBP JPY currency pair just got triggered about 4 hours after I placed it within the live spot Forex markets. And I'm pretty sure you've noticed that price is currently moving against my short trading position on the GBP JPY currency pair at the moment. But I'm not really worried about that since there's nothing I can do about it. Although, if you take a close look at the 1 hour price chart which is being displayed on the screen now, you will see that the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame has moved away from this short trading position's current stop loss order. Therefore, following this trend trading strategies rules, I'm going to move this short trading position stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average line which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame is currently located at. At the moment, my risk on this short trading position stands at about minus 108.4 pips, which is equivalent to minus 148 US dollars and 75 cents since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of the GBP JPY currency pair. Now watch this. Moving this short trade stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where it's supposed to be located at has just helped me to cut down my risk on this trading position from minus 108.4 pips to only minus 90.5 pips, which is about minus 124 US dollars and 19 cents at the moment. And now, since I've properly adjusted my overall risk on this short trading position, I'm going to step away from the markets and let price do its thing. If price decides to continue moving against my short trading position on the GBP JPY currency pair, I'm going to be taken out of the markets with a loss of minus 90.5 pips, which is going to cost me about minus 124 US dollars and 19 cents since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of the GBP JPY currency pair. However, if price decides to turn around and start moving in this short trading position's favor, I'm going to get another opportunity to reduce my risk on this short trade and maybe even lock in a portion of its profits if the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame reaches break even. Again, we'll just have to wait and see what price action decides to do next. I really hate to break the bad news to you, but my short trading position on the GBP JPY currency pair just got stopped out with a loss of about 124 US dollars and 19 cents when price made this bullish crossover above all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were applied onto this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. But I'm actually kind of glad that this happened because I've been showing you profitable forex trade examples which only paints one side of the picture. However, The bitter truth about trading currencies within the spot forex market is that you're inevitably going to come across losing trades at some point in your trading career. The secret to profitable trading is to never give up on your forex trading strategy simply because you encounter a losing trade or a series of losses, but rather to continue following the rules of your trading strategy without fail, up until the moment when you eventually take the home run winning trade, which is going to make up for all of your trading losses and even bring in some extra profits in the process. This is exactly what the smart guys who trade billions for those large banks and hedge funds do to consistently make money for their clients. Never let anyone fool you into believing otherwise. The next time you come across anyone who tries to sell you a forex trading strategy or system which promises to give you winning trades 100% of the time, don't walk, but rather run away from them if you would like to save your hard-earned money. You're going to do just fine as long as you never take your trading losses personally. Take it from a guy who's been there and done that. I really hope that you've learned quite a bit from this live trade example which I took on the GBP-JPY currency pair. Feel free to reach out to me if you've got any questions with regards to the application of this advanced trend trading strategy, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And that's all for this lecture, folks. See you in the next one. Cheers.